when your cat's determined to lead you to the Land Rover. Come on, Mars, shift. Come on, shift. Bore da. So that's my view as I walk over to the Land Rover to head to Conwy for a tour this morning with one of my wonderful groups. Looking forward to seeing the group leader, Martha, the pussycat. What am I going to do with her? She walks me to the Land Rover and then I have to sort of tell her nicely that she can't really do the tour with me. Do you know, the walk over to where I park the Land Rover gives me a bit of thinking time actually, and it's dry this morning. Very lucky. Well, it was so cold this morning as I was finishing off the tour that I thought I needed a little bit of a warming lunch, so I've come into L's in Conwy. How's that for a treat? Calamari in a salad bowl. After finishing the tour of Castell Conwy, I came up to Plas Mawr, and I have to say that from the window in the attic in Plas Mawr is one of the best views over towards Castell Conwy. Absolutely stunning. How wonderful to have a bit of time to spend in Plas Mawr this afternoon after the tour this morning. Really enjoyed myself in here. Lots of old memories from when I used to do the spooky tours in here. Not done one since 2012. Bye for now. Got to say, this is a lovely time of year to visit Conwy. Just look at this. Beautiful evening light. And it's very quiet. You can hear a few people up around the town walls. And the smell of freshly cut grass. But it does also remind me that I better get myself home because it's been a while since I've had time to cut my grass and it's getting to be a little bit of a contract. So heading up the hill. Bye. And what a treat to stop on the way home for this. Wow. Did you know that Conwy is the only walled town in the whole of Europe that has window slits in part of the town wall? The reason for that is that the hall of the Welsh Prince, Llywelyn ap Iorwerth, known as Llywelyn the Great, his hall was incorporated into the wall of the town when it was being constructed by the English King Edward I when he was building this garrison town. This English town on Welsh soil as it was at the time. Now heading back into the sunset after a very busy day in Conwy. So see you very soon. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi am eich cwmni. Thanks for your company.